Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing of a 6-watch winder Arcanent that I received today. Got this online from Massdrop. However, they're on Amazon as well. And they make a 4, 6, and an 8-watch winder version. I did a lot of research before buying this one. Looked at Wolf and some of the other ones, and I ended up going with Arcanent. So what I'm going to do is just take it out of the box here, and then I'll hook it up elsewhere, and we'll do some close-ups and look more into the features and the options that it comes with. Okay, so now I got the watch winder out of the box and plugged in with watches in it, and I've started to really look it over, and I actually do have an issue with it. The door on the box, a couple issues actually, but the first main thing is the door, it drags on the shelf, which is scuffing up the top of the shelf right here and scratching it. And obviously if you open and close this a couple times, 3 times a week, whatever it is, when you're swapping out your watches, eventually that's going to wear that black piano finish off. As you can see, it binds when it's closing. And you can hear that it's rubbing on there. So I've already tried to reach out to the company who manufactures it with no response whatsoever. I took a video of the problem I'm having with it and sent an email with the exact explanation, and I didn't even get a reply. I did, however, reach out to the retailer that I bought it through, which was Massdrop. They instantly replied, and I'm actually going to return this and get a refund because they can't replace it since Massdrop only buys a certain amount of devices that they sell. So first, that's the main thing. And I can see here on the side there's a pin, and it's lower than where it actually goes into the box. So when you close it, the door lifts up a little bit. So obviously there's something wrong with the hinges. I can't just readjust the hinges because it is covered with this pleather or whatever it is to make it look better. But the thing is, I shouldn't have to. And as you saw when I took it out of the box, it was well packaged and there was no damage, so it wasn't from shipping. The other issue is, and part of it is rubbing on that door. As you can see, it's scratching up right here. The shelf, or the drawer, when you take it out, it's almost impossible to put it back in with one hand. You really gotta get it lined up exactly perfect, and even that is very difficult. I guess that's why they put 2 knobs on it. But to me, for a box that they're saying the retail is $2,100, I shouldn't have problems closing the door or the drawer. That should all work perfectly fine. It's just very cheap, flimsy quality the way the drawer is built. I mean, it's awful. Not expecting ball bearings, but something a little bit more easy to close and smoother. The watch winder does have some pretty cool features. One of the main ones is you can turn off each watch. You can set each individual watch with however many rotations per day that you want to turn, which direction you want it to turn. It's supposed to stop at basically if your watch is positioned with 12 o'clock at the top, it's supposed to stop back at the same position, but as you can see, mine have drifted and they don't seem to be doing that. The winder is fairly quiet. It is in my bedroom across the room. When one's going, you can barely hear it. When all 6 are going, it is actually a little noisier than I expected. It's supposed to have some good motors and ball bearings and everything else. Not really a complaint because it's very slight noise. It's louder than my single watch winder that I did have. But anyway, I'm going to return this, and I would have worked with the company who manufactured it, but I get 0 response. Pretty disappointed in that fact, because you do expect a company to stand by and take care of you if you do have problems with their product, and to not get a response at all is concerning. But anyway, I'll be on the lookout for a different watch winder and see if I can find something better with better support and better quality, because obviously there's a build quality issue here. So anyway, thank you for watching.